In this video, we're going to look at how to solve multi-step equations by combining like terms first on one side of the equation. Okay, let's review how to simplify expressions using the commutative property of addition. So if I look at my expression 12n minus 8 minus 2n plus 10 plus negative 4, I'm going to rewrite this as 12n plus negative 8 plus negative 2n plus 10 plus negative 4. And now I can use the commutative property of addition to add terms that have identical variable parts, such as 12n and negative 2n. And when I add 12n and negative 2n, I get 10n. And then I can add constants together. So I can add my negative 8 plus positive 10 plus negative 4, and I'll get a negative 2. And if I simplify that a little bit more, I have 10n minus 2. And now my expression is simplified. Let's look at the next example. Let's rewrite it first, all in addition. So I have 2s plus 10 plus negative 7s plus negative 8 plus 3s plus negative 7. Now I can use the commutative property of addition to add like terms. So I'll add terms with identical variable parts. I have 2s, negative 7s, and that is a 3s. So 2s plus 7s, negative 7s is negative 5s, plus 3s would be a negative 2s. And now I can add my constant terms, which would be 10 plus negative 8 is a 2, 2 plus negative 7 is a negative 5. So plus a negative 5, and now let's rewrite it as negative 2s minus 5, and now that one is simplified as well. Okay, let's review the steps that we just did in combining like terms. The first one is to rewrite the expression as a sum, and I put if you need to. Some people don't need to because they can read the terms as either a positive or a negative term as it is written in the problem. The second step is to add terms that have identical variable parts, and the key here is that they must be identical variable parts. And then the third step would be to add the constant terms. So if you remember, constant terms are the numbers only. All right, let's take this to the next level. We're going to combine like terms within an equation, and then we're going to solve the equation. So in my first equation, I have negative 15 plus 3x minus 7x equals negative 43. If I just look at the left side of my equation, I see that it is an expression where I have two terms that have an identical variable part. So I'm going to add those two together to simplify this side of the equation. So let me rewrite it as negative 15 plus 3x plus negative 7x equals negative 43. And I'm going to add the 3x and the negative 7x to get negative 4x is equal to negative 43. Now I have a plain old two-step equation, and I'm going to solve it. I'll add 15 to both sides. This side will cancel out and leave me with negative 4x is equal to negative 28. And then divide both sides by negative 4. So I have x equal to a positive 7. All right, let's look at the next example. I have 6x minus 5 plus 7x equals 34. So 6x and 7x have identical variable parts. So I'm going to add those two together. And I'm going to end up with 13x. Okay, 13x minus 5 equals 34. And then I'm going to add 5 to both sides. These will cancel and leave me with 13x is equal to 39. Divide both sides by 13, so I get x is equal to 3, and that's my solution. All right, let's look and see what a word problem for this type of multi-step equation might look like. On Friday, you raked leaves for 4 neighbors. On Saturday, you raked leaves for 5 neighbors. And on Sunday, you raked leaves for 3 neighbors. For these 3 days, you earned $135. How much money did you earn for each house at which you raked leaves? So let's make M the unknown for the amount of money you earned at each house raking leaves. So you raked neighbors' leaves, 4 neighbors' leaves on Friday. That's 4M. On Saturday, you raked leaves for 5 neighbors. And on Sunday, you raked leaves for 3 neighbors. And you earned $135 for all of that work. Now you can add your terms because they have identical variable parts. So 4 plus 5 is 9M. 9 plus 3M is 12M. So we have 12M equal 135. And now divide both sides by 12. And we end up with M is equal to $11.25 earned for each house. That is a bargain.